Hello guys, in this video we will check the labels for the feature classes. So as you know, when we right click on the layer you can enable or disable the labels from here, but when we go to the properties we have one tab called labels. We also can enable or disable showing the labels from here. If I click apply you will see the labels disappear, so I will enable it back again. And here we have the method of how to show the labels. Here it say label all the features the same way. The second option is to define classes or conditions to show the labels. So you can use different attributes to show different labels based on classes, and this one we will focus more on when we come to the master section. But for now we will choose label all the features the same way. Here you choose which field you want to use to show your label. So for example, if I used area and I said apply, you will see that the labels here change it to the area value instead of the county name. So let's put it back to county name. And also here you have expression where you can combine and create your own label however you want. So let's click expression and see what is the options we have here. Here we have only the city name, and that's what's shown up here. What if you wanted to show the city name and next to it you show and area equal the area value? Here you can say I want to append the area next to the city name, and you click append, and here you can type space area equal, and you can click verify to see how it will look like. So this is how your label will look like. Kern area equal the area value. So if I click OK and click apply, you will see that here you have the county name and next to it area equal the area value. If we go back to expression again and we try to do more advanced thing, so let's say for example here you have the area showing a decimal and a lot of numbers in this decimal. When you view an area for a county, you don't really care about what is the decimal value for the square miles. You just want to show the square miles in a whole number. So if we come to the area here and we show values, we see that we have the values here have a lot of decimal numbers next to it. So let's cancel this one and say we need to do an expression in an advanced way. And advanced will allow you to write your expression using a parser or a coding script like JavaScript or Python or Visual Basic script. So let's say we will use JavaScript. We click advanced again, and here it gives you the ability to write JavaScript code to construct your label text however you want. And after you write your JavaScript code, you can save this expression in order for you to share it with someone if you want. So I created a previous expression and I saved it somewhere. So when you save it, it will be saved as LXP file. So this is the one I saved before. You will find it in the course data folder. So if I double click here, it will load expression that I wrote earlier. So what this code does, it takes the county name and the area, but this code right here will remove all the decimal values in this label. So here I said I want to remove all the decimal values in this line and then show my county name plus this text right here in a new line, area equal, and I added the value that shows up right here, and the next to it I added another text called square labels. So if I said OK and I click apply, you will see right now that I have the county name and below it a new line called area equal the number of the area without the decimals, and next to it square miles. So if I open the expression again, you will see that you have the county name. This is a county name right here, and create a new line and add the text is area equal. Here's the area equal, and next to it add the area value, which we already removed the decimal numbers from it. Here's the area value, and next to it add square miles as a text. So this is the construction for our label right now. So here we click OK and check the other options. The other options here, it just changed the font, what font you want to use for your label, what is the size for your label. So let's make this 12, say apply. You'll see that the label changed. So let's put it back to 10. And here you can change the color of the label, and here you can make it bold, apply. So, and also you can change the symbol to create a symbol, a custom symbol for your label however you want. So for example, let's click OK here. So let's open the labels for the freeways, and we can say enable the labels for freeway, apply. you will see that the labels of freeway ID have been shown up on the freeways, but it's black, so you cannot see it. We can change the color here to red, say okay. And now you can see it a little bit more. And what we can do right now is go to symbols. And because this is an interstate freeway, we can choose the icon for the interstate freeways. And what ArcMap will do, it will take the freeway ID and put it inside this symbol for you. So if I click apply, you will see that now I have the symbols placed on top of the line. But as you see, some symbols is like not showing straight. So I can come to placement properties here. I can, instead of orientation to be parallel, I'll make it horizontal. I'll say okay, apply, and you will see that your freeway numbers showing up with a symbol of interstate symbol, and that will make your map looks much better. So basically that's it for the labels. You can try different options here and see how it will show up on your map. And in the master section, we will open the define classes and see how we can create custom classes for each label. And also we will check all the options for placement properties and scale range and label styles. So that is a little bit more advanced way to create your labels, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.